Hello, everyone. My name is Wanda Sakinen, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to discuss the top 5 medical practice billing complaints that I hear most often and that I have experienced firsthand. One is rejected claims. That's the first one. Um, this happens from time to time. No one can get through without a rejected claim from time to time, so you don't want to panic. That's the first thing. It's important to find out why exactly the claim was rejected and to halt any further billing until that has been remedied. This will cut down on future claims being denied and this leading to a domino effect. The explanation of benefits should be mailed or viewed electronically depending on the payer. And this is where you want to find the rejections codes that are provided by the insurance company. Usually, this is maybe a 3-digit code, a 4-digit code. It might be a combination of letters and numbers, or it may just be numbers, it might just be letters. It will say, besides their name and everything else, code number, and that's what you want to look up, and it will also be on that explanation of benefits. The second medical billing complaint is delayed payments. Okay, insurance companies will do absolutely anything that they can to delay processing your claim. They look for specific things, so you want to make sure all the necessary boxes on the health insurance claim form are filled out completely and are correct. There's just no room for error with medical billing. Inevitably, mistakes will happen, but you can bank on the insurance company looking for any reason to kick back your claim for non payment. When all else fails, to make sense, then you need to get on the phone with the insurance company and find out what is going on. Third complaint is it's a complicated process. I hear this so much. Many practices foolishly believe or are told medical billing is a complicated process. This truth it is true on some occasions, it can be. However, overall, the process is pretty systematic and methodical in nature, making it pretty simple. Accuracy in data entry is key, and that starts from the very first encounter with the patient or the client. Gathering the correct information and taking a copy of all insurance cards are mandatory in nature in order to create optimal results. Also, taking a copy of their ID or their driver's license can also be of assistance. Um, the fourth complaint we get is poor reimbursement. There are fluctuations from one insurance company to the other. When you experience poor reimbursement rates from one particular insurance company, it's time to take inventory as to whether or not it is still profitable and whether you want to continue being credentialed with that provider. Um, or with that particular company. You also can write a letter to the company documenting exactly why you feel you should be paid more on a specific code and rationalize your case. I've seen this work firsthand, so don't think it can't work because it can. The fifth and final top 5 medical billing complaint is coding claims. Next to making sure the correct information has been entered correctly into your billing system, making sure you are using the correct code is crucial. That is for all codes, CPTs, the procedure codes, diagnostic codes, ICD or DSM, and using up-to-date codes with the most specific code possible. Insurance companies do not want to see generalized codes or mere symptoms listed. For this, consult your latest 2025 code manuals. And for the next video, I will talk about the top 5 medical practice complaints. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you got any value of this at all, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.